Hi, I'm Dr. Chris LaPrade. I'm a fellowship-trained orthopedic surgeon who specializes in sports medicine and arthroplasty of the knee and shoulder. We'll be joining Twin Cities Orthopedics in Eden, Prairie, and Eagan. I grew up locally in Chanhassen, Minnesota as the oldest of three brothers, and then attended the University of Minnesota for my biology degree. After that, I got my medical degree at the Medical College of Wisconsin and then traveled out to Stanford University for orthopedic residency. Lastly, I did my sports medicine and shoulder elbow fellowship at Ortho Carolina in Charlotte, North Carolina, where I had the chance to be a team physician for the Carolina Panthers in the NFL, the Charlotte FC in the MLS, and the Charlotte Knights in AAA baseball. My wife and I have a 2-year-old son, Easton, as well as our dog, Tori. In our free time, you'll likely find us outside doing something either on the lake, in the backyard, or at a park. We also enjoy traveling both as a smaller family as well as an extended family. And we've had the chance even to travel with Easton already to Joshua Tree in California, Banff in Canada, and to Bora Bora as well. In addition, I grew up as an avid baseball and hockey player myself and continue to stay involved in these sports recreationally as well as a fan. And my passion for sports is a large part of why I chose sports medicine as a career, as I hope to get patients back to the sports that they love. I'm super excited to be joining such a world-class organization as TCO and looking forward to having the opportunity to take care of patients in my home community as well.